Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of the Ruby from Scratch series. So in this episode right here, we're going to be covering hashes. So in the previous episode, we looked at arrays, and we now know that array is just a list of stuff. We can put in strings or integers, or, well, we can actually even put hashes inside of an array. So we'll see in this episode. So let's define a hash. So a hash is it's a data structure that has some kind of key and some kind of value. So for example, here if I want to define a person, we can do something like name, Zach, age, 34. 34. I wish I was 24. So now person 2 equals name, Pavit. So Pavit is the name of my son, and we're going to put his age. He's 1 year old. Yeah, 1 year old. There we go. So now we have two people. Let's put them inside of an array. So people equals person and person 2. So there we go. So now what I can do is I can loop out the names of the people inside of this array. So people.each do per puts per and then name. So I can access the name of the individual like this, right? So end. So there we go. Now it looped out my name and my son's name. So let's say we have the person. We can actually, so we can access the name this way. So this is, I'm putting in the name of the key, right? It's a symbol. So there we go. So that's it for this episode. So if you want to check out what more you can do on hashes, you can check out the documentation. So if you do a search for hash inside of the Ruby documentation, you can see all the cool stuff you can do it. And they're all, same as what we've looked at before. Shift has value empty. You can check if a hash is empty and or all that kind of cool stuff. So with that, I want to wrap up this episode. So like, share, and subscribe. Become a member on our site. Check out all the content we have. We're gonna have more Ruby content coming. Not everything's gonna be free. Some are gonna be member exclusive episodes. So if you want to get into Ruby programming, check out our site, become a member, support us. Also check out our Rails content. So once you're done with the Ruby content, you can check out the Rails stuff. That's a next progression for you if you're trying to build anything on the web. So with that, I want to wrap up this episode. I'll see you guys in the next one.